hours and 10 people. Just because of some, yeah. That's very tough. That is even
That's how, yeah.
like thousands like that is not going to be here. Right, right, that's right. 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 She had mentioned it earlier, but they still rescheduled him, and they still here. And so, right, they told us earlier, but for some reason they were still scheduling him. So when schedule was sent out, they should have came back right away and said, no, you guys can't do it. Yeah. Because it was completely overlooked because nobody was there. Because I told them, I said, I said, seeing that nerves, they can't make it. So they said something. Yeah. That's how it used to be. Yeah. Yeah. Probably.
No, so that, yeah.
Take all the dates out of the stack and tell them this is when we'll see. Unless something different from schedule or something.
And it messes up everybody's day. Held it, H. Held it.
Hey. Everybody knew what was
What's
going
going
on.
on, yeah.
Then she got the girls started shouting and screaming. The first one ran up there. So I was telling her, you shouldn't have seen that front of her. Jordan get back. Jordan from Tulsa.
Yeah.
So it wasn't just me trying to
Like, Vicky, relax. Both day in New York. And you're telling your defense come back here?
yeah. So that didn't happen. I know that. Right. I didn't think I'm on the person where that girl. Not the person who was your girl. Yeah. And she was, they got comprehend that. And then the girl was out there. And just, oh, the you mark me out of terms. And maybe that old person was in it. I just gave her some stuff. I had to put that.
I can't move any girl people care, but I can do this. That's short. That's short. They were.
It's there, then.
Yeah.